Hi everyone, my name's Luke and today I've got a large haul of Lego from eBay to open. It's mostly retired sets as far as I can remember, other than maybe the odd one or two. I'm recording on my phone, waiting for my new camera to arrive, so I've pre-opened all the boxes just to make things easier. So let's move the big one out of the way. Bear with me 1 second, I'll just put my phone here. Okay. Oh, there we go, that's better. So the phone kept falling down. So I've not actually looked at any of these yet, other than briefly when I open them, so if there's anything missing or incorrect, you'll see it at the same time as me. This is a 75079 Shadow Troopers set. I think this was about £10, so not too bad. Put it on over there. Get rid of this. The next one we have is just a small C3PO red arm set. I think this was about £5, so free postage, so not so bad. The next one is what have I got here? It's a Rebel A-Wing pilot. So I mainly bought this one because I saw in a Star Wars Facebook group someone posted a question and thought he looked cool. Got him for £4, so why not? Next one, let's put this out of the way. There we go. So I mainly bought this one for my 4-year-old son, baby Velociraptor playpen, which I think he'll really like. It's got a cute little dinosaur, so I thought it'd be a good one for him. And again, I can't remember what this was, maybe £5 or £6, so another little cheap one. Right, slightly bigger one. I'm going to save the biggest ones till the end. Let's put that over there. So this one is 75536 Range Trooper. So I think this was £16. I had to bid on this one, but I think the price is pretty good. A little bit of damage on the front of the box, but nothing major really. It's actually my first buildable figure, but I thought he looked pretty cool. So I've actually bought a few more, which I'll be opening in a minute. Right, so the next one I have 75089 Geonosis Troopers. The box is quite damaged. I think it said in the listing that it was damaged. So I mean, it's intact. It's still sealed. I'm sure the goods will be fine. Yeah, that's it. I think I overpaid a bit for this one. I'm not sure what happened. I think it was like £20, which is a bit too much, but anyway, there we go. Right. Okay. Now we have a bigger box. Yeah, so far I've been pretty lucky. Everything is well packed. Yes, 70911 Penguin Arctic Roller. Yeah, I think I got this for 25. I think I made an offer on this, which seems about right. Box is in really good condition, so I'm happy with that. And I just thought the car looks cool. Another one I'm sure my son will enjoy. There we go. Try and organise these a bit better. Right. So another big one. Let's put this down again quickly. Bag. Get rid of that. So we've got the 75212 Kessel Run Millennium Falcon. So I wanted this one for quite a while, and I spotted an auction on eBay that seemed to be a bit quiet. There wasn't many people bidding on it and had a few hours left. So I managed to get it for £85, brand new and sealed, plus I think £7 shipping. So pretty good deal really. I think you can get it on Amazon maybe reduced for like 110. So I think this one might actually be the only set that's still available, I believe. But yeah, lots of cool minifigures. Yeah, so looking forward to this one. So yeah, another one my son will definitely enjoy playing with and opening it all up and probably taking it apart as well. Let's put this, we'll do another swap around I think. Let's move this at the back. If anyone's interested in seeing any of my other built Lego, obviously there's some here on the table, but there's more upstairs in my main room, so I can maybe do a tour of that another time. Let's put all these little sets over here. Oh, that one fell down, broken box. Let's put that one, okay, never mind. You can lean it up against the Apocalypse Berg set. Put the poly bag down there. Right, bear with me 1 second while I retrieve the big box. Okay, so apologies if it's a bit wobbly or hard to see at times, but I am recording with one hand. Hopefully I'll get my new equipment soon, so the setup will be a bit better and a lot easier. So very well packed. So basically this whole box, I was looking for my top wish list item, which was the Batman tumbler. So I found a seller that had it up for sale. I messaged him because he had a few other sets that I was interested in. And basically he was a really friendly guy and he agreed to make a deal. So I mean I'll say what the cost is at the end, but I'll let you guys maybe try and add it up as I go along, putting out these items. Obviously it was a reasonable amount of money, so hopefully it is all as we agreed. There's nothing missing, nothing damaged. But yeah, top feedback, and going by what I can see here, it looks pretty good. So yeah, so let's go for this one first. So 75092, the Naboo Starfighter. So yeah, another cool Star Wars set. Box looks very good. Yeah, still new and sealed. I believe this seller was a collector that never opened any sets, I think. So I'm pretty sure they should all be new and sealed. So let's put that one down there. Let's just move this box up a little bit, make some more space. Okay, so then we've got 75139. Battleon Takadana. Oh, nearly dropped it. Sure you guys can correct me if I'm pronouncing any of it wrong. But yeah, another good set. Another pretty much perfect box. Still sealed. So yeah, another good one. Yeah, be hard to decide which one to go for first, really. What else have we got? So, let's go for this one. So 75112, General Grievous. It's obviously not the UCS version. This is the much cheaper one, but I think a lot of people quite like this one. And considering I'm really into buildable figures, I think this is another good one to start with, maybe. But yeah, he looks pretty cool. Can put him in lots of cool poses. So yeah, should be another good one. What else we've got here? So we have 21303, the Wally, or Wally. So yeah, another sealed set. Obviously this is not the cheapest of sets, but this is another one I definitely bought for my son. He really loves this film. So yeah, I'm sure he'll probably end up trying to steal this one from me and put it in his bedroom. What else have we got? Let's remove packing. Obviously you can see the main item, but I'll leave that till the end. Okay, so there's a box I haven't opened yet. Right. Hang on, bear with me. Oops, sorry guys, I didn't notice this box that was sealed. Got a knife so we can just open this carefully. Not sure why he packed it in this way, maybe, I'm not sure. And this is, I don't know. Who knows? Can't complain about having too much packing. I have much luck with this, haven't I? There we go. So yeah, definitely can't complain about too much packing. I had a few items recently that were just sent in bags and were totally destroyed. So this is much better. Okay, so that's not something I ordered. He did mention he'd throw in the odd bonus item. Okay. That should be fun to play with. If I'm totally honest, I'm not completely sure what this one is, so maybe you guys can tell me. But yeah, anyway, that's cool. What else have we got? Oh, some poly bags. Can't complain about poly bags. So yeah, I didn't order any of these. Oh, so this is cool as well. Good to get some little freebies. So what else is he throwing in? Oh, so that's another one that my son will definitely be stealing. Yeah. Oh, that's nice. He knew how much I wanted the tumbler, so yeah. A nice little bonus one. Bubble wrap. So we have 75. There we go. 75137 carbon freezing chamber. So yeah, another cool set. Yeah, good minifix in this one. Yeah, another perfect box sealed. So all good so far. Alright, so Ghostbusters. Yeah, another one sealed. Ecto 1. So it's set to 1108. So I actually don't have the Firehouse yet. It's on my long wish list to get. But obviously, when I do get it, it'd be good to have this to go with it. Right, so now you can probably tell some more buildable figures. So we've got 75120, which is the K2SO. So yeah, he looks pretty cool. Probably my favourite character in the film. So yeah, it should be good when I get all these built all stood next to each other. Let's see who else we've got. So 75118, Captain Phasma. So yeah, looks pretty cool, nice cape. So yeah, actually I think everything, I don't know about the poly bags, but everything in this box from this seller, I think they're all retired items. So very good to get all of these. So we've got 75107, Jango Fett. So yeah, he's cool. I haven't got Boba Fett yet, but I'm sure I will do at some point. So yeah, obviously there's more down the bottom. I'm not so sure about the human faces ones. I think the ones with helmets or like General Grievous look better. But I'm sure I'll probably end up getting all of them now I've started. So that's that. Right, the big one, which was top of my wish list for a very long time. Whoa. Right, there we go. Which is the 76023 Tumbler, which I think is an awesome set. Sorry, it was a bit dark in here. Let me fix one of the bulbs. But yeah, so this comes with 2 minifigs. This is Batman and the Joker. Obviously a Heath Ledger Joker. So it's really cool. So you can see the 1-for-1 scale of the tyre. So I'm looking next to my hand. So it's pretty decent size. I think it's 1,890 pieces or something like that. But yeah, this is one I've waited for a very long time to get. So to be able to get this and all the sets here, yeah, I'm really happy, and the seller can't recommend him enough. So yeah, this one looks really cool. Obviously you've got the UCS little stand, so this will be one that will be put on a high shelf, not for my son to play with. So yeah, I don't know what you guys would say, how you would value all this stuff, but basically it was £520 for the whole lot, which he did give me a breakdown of prices, and I did my own research and I couldn't really argue with the prices he gave, considering they're all retired, brand new and sealed. It was a very good price, really easy guy to deal with, really friendly, had some general chit chat with him. So yeah, a lot of sets to build, a lot of sets to review, a lot of sets to find space for. So yeah, don't forget the, what's this, like Ninjago phone holder? Oh, I guess it's like make your own Ninjago scene, so that should be quite good. So yeah, this was all from the one guy. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. So that's all of the boxes for this haul. Obviously some can be added into my current backlog, but a lot of them I'll be building pretty soon. Okay, thanks for watching. Any comments, questions, let me know.